All right, we got a 2021 Explorer ST. If you've got one of these, you've had the issues with the plastic, this will look familiar. Pretty standard. Our first one, the actual clip inside of here was broke off completely. So this is what it ends up looking like. One day you're just sitting there, that plastic inside of there breaks. Plastic inside of here or here, it clips onto that nonsense, breaks. Then you take it to dealership for warranty and they put it on, but they put it on wrong and it lasts for 5 seconds and then it pops off again. So our piece got replaced, but unfortunately the dealership did not install it correctly. So what you do is come to the back of the car, find the little torque bit that goes right here. You get yourself a T20, take that out, and that'll allow this thing to flop around. And then you can line it up from the front. So you're gonna want to take this off completely, line this up from the front, and then slide it back. So the whole thing's kind of popped off. All I did was push this back. You don't even need to take that off. And now you're gonna slide it up front. This is really tough with one hand. You want that clipped on there. This one here to clip right in there. So you're gonna come forward. And then you just, none of this feels natural, but this portion here, right directly behind there is where that other clip is sliding into that. This up front locks in pretty solid, but you can see the seats pushing against it. So naturally when your big ass sits on there, it's gonna knock this thing out, but this locks in pretty solid up front. Like, that's in there. So we'll see if this holds. The back then is this is how I do it. It's my last part to put back in. So you can see that's going to go around it. I slide the seat all the way forward to do the front portion install. And I'm going to take it back a little ways to do this back. It just makes it easier for me. This gives you a little better view too of what you're trying to do. So here's the bottom. And that's what you're trying to get on. Around it like that. This goes up and over. This is not easy with one hand.